it's Veronica, your friendly neighborhood Tupperware lady. Got my pressure cooker. Getting ready to make ribs in the pressure cooker. Gonna take about 25 minutes, I think. We'll find out. I have 4 beef, I don't know what you call them, ribs. And there's garlic salt, garlic powder, seasoned salt. And they're smothered in barbecue sauce, and there's some Worcestershire sauce in there too. This is the seal of the pressure cooker. It has a pop-up valve here that is very noticeable when it's up. There's another place here that lets steam escape. This is the lock. Make sure I got my seal in there right. Okay. Put it on. There's arrows that line up. You can see them or not. Line it up, put it on, and then just twist. Push this down, and it is locked and loaded and ready to go. So I'm going to put it in the microwave for 25 minutes, and then I'll be back, and we'll see what happens. Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back again. It's been 25 minutes, and as you can see right here, oop, too far. This is up. That's what we want to wait on to go down before we can take the lid off, because otherwise we'll have steam all over the place. So we're going to wait about I think it's 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll be back and we'll see what the ribs look like. I'm back. So you can see this little thing here has fallen down. That means the pressure is released. Just gonna slide it over here so you can see. I'm gonna pop this up, and I'm just gonna turn it this way. Watch for the steam. Ta-da! Now we have ribs. I don't know if they're falling off the bone or not, but we'll find out in a minute. Okay, do it.
Ooh, that's tender.
Grabbing it with the Chef Series barbecue tongs. Got a little caramelization going there on top. Ooh. Oh, hey! The bone just fell right out of one. No bone.
Hang on.
You gonna get the bone? Look at that. That's pretty cool. And you can, what are you gonna do with it? Can't you just put it back in here? Now, wait a minute. I don't know why he left, because I don't know how to tear this apart. I don't know anything about ribs, other than I just cooked them in 25 minutes. Look! I got a bone! Do something and show me what it's supposed to look like in there. Is it done?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to taste it?
Yeah.
Woo!
I guess you want that cut off.
I don't know. I just want you to taste it and see what it tastes like.
I don't know, but it's tender. I can tell by the way it's cutting.
That's good. Now, was 25... Oh, there's a little pink in there. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm. Not for you, but...
Oh, well, not for me. None of it's going to be for me. Now.
Get your bone.
Get my bone. Do I need to take this bone also?
Nope. Not yet.
I am not a vegetarian, but I don't do ribs. Tony doesn't. Mr. Tuppergrumpy loves ribs. Well, he likes ribs. Tasting. Tender? Done? Flavorful?
Good stuff.
Awesome sauce. So, hey, we got ribs in 25 minutes. Holy cow.
In a microwave.
In a microwave. So, yeah, hey, have a great day because Tony's going to have ribs. Bye.